Okay, good afternoon. I just got long Tesla here at 312.49, 300 shares. Okay, I took off 100 shares, have 200 left just to lock in some profit. Okay, Tesla's still working here. It is nearing the high of the day. I'm going to be very careful and see if I can close out if it's not going to be able to break. The volume is rising, which makes me think we could break, but it's still 40 cents away. So I think I'm going to try to just take it off. The other 200 shares, and I am also I just entered a dust trade. I had an order for 1,000 shares, only got filled for 300 at 23.81, and I'm going to see if I can get filled on the other or the full position that I have open. And the Tesla might just end up closing out depending on how it's going to act. Don't mind getting out near the high of the day and then just adding in if it's adding back in if it sets up again. No problem taking profits up around 450 in the trade right now. Okay, I did exit the full position on Tesla, total 463. Last shares were sold at 314.08, and the dust did come down. I am in the full position on that at 1,000 shares at 23.81, currently flat or even on the position. So we'll see what happens with the dust. Okay, it's been about an hour, maybe hour and a half. The stock did break below my entry, well below it actually. It went down to 23.50. You can see here on the chart it did start to flag here in a bearish consolidation. If it did break below this area, 23.50, again, I was going to exit, and it did a retest here, and I added 1,400 more shares on the way up. So I have an average of 23.70, 2,400 shares, currently down around $150 in the position. If we take a look at gold here, which is the bottom chart, you can see gold has found some supply here, 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 and here. So 4 times. So we're going to see if gold's going to come off and hopefully help the dust, which is a gold mining bear triple leverage stock or ETF. We're going to see if this can give us a push up. Might have some trouble here with this consolidation. We're going to see if it can get there and how it acts, and due to my size I will be very cautious and likely reduce position, if not sell it all if it has any trouble. Okay, we are getting a little move back up. I'm almost to my average price of 23.70, and if you see here on my chart, one of the reasons I'm in this trade, kind of been stalking it for a while, hasn't been time yet, but this is a daily gold chart. You can see it's pretty much gone parabolic from 118, and it's nearing this resistance level. It's not quite there, so I wouldn't say this is a perfect trade, but it is worth a shot because this is often an art and not a science. So I do feel that the stock is or gold has had quite a move up and might find some profit takers even before it gets to resistance, just enough for us to make a little profit on the day trade. So I'm currently green on the trade and going to let it ride. Okay, I did just reduce my risk. I took around 400 shares off at 23.72 due to this level right here, which is previous support and now could act as resistance. So I just wanted to take some of my risk off in case it does decide to pull back. Currently have 2,000 shares, average 23.70. Alright, so I closed out that dust trade. It wasn't really that great. Gold really didn't want to come off. It was about to, then it came back up, back down. Either way, dust did find resistance there at the previous consolidation for the day. So I'm calling it a day. I got out most of those dust at 23.72. I'm up 665 on the day. So not a bad day profits wise, but not the greatest trading day in terms of execution and whatnot. All right, see you next time.